So tell me if you could interpret this in your way so that I can proceed further. सिर्फ मैंने आपको सीधा एक शॉर्ट में बता देती हूँ कि जो चैलेंजेस हैं वो आपके रोड ब्लॉक्स होते हैं, वो आपके वो इवेंट्स या लोग होते हैं जो आपकी जिंदगी में आपको एक एक टफ टाइम दे सकते हैं या probably आपको एक सीखने का मौका दे सकते हैं, however you call it. So this is basically a challenge. That's it. And this will be correlated with all of this. That is what you have to understand. And how will you come up with that? If you are moving in a cycle of 9, which I am doing right now, if you are moving in a pinnacle 9, which I am doing right now, and the 0 challenge in life, what is that? So simple.
0 must be intensifying, no?
Sorry?
0 must be intensifying the 9, no?
0 will intensify any number when it is having after this. But this, in this case, there is no connection of intensification over here.
I think 0 is free will.
Not any value.
0 is free will.
It's a free
Yes. 0 is a
So it is up to you.
number. It is up to me.
So it's up to you.
Yes.
So now you are in the pinnacle 9 and you are in the even in the this challenge also you are saying no, challenge is 0 you said. Your cycle is also 9, right?
Yeah.
So both are 9. So
See,
mostly in your life you have
my life forever will be 9. Because
Yes.
after 54 is also 9. So there's nothing gonna change. As far
Yes.
as my pinnacles are concerned, only till 44 I am 9. After that I will become 1.
Hmm.
So there is 9 is finishing at least in pinnacles, but cycle मेरे साथ चलता ही रहेगा 9. तो उसको छोड़ दो. वो मैं
लेकिन 1 आ
लटक गई हूँ अभी. एंड उसमें भी आप एक चीज समझो, यहाँ 1 आएगा और यहाँ 8 आ रहा है. ये 0 भी और ये 9 भी पिनिकल में जो सेकंड पिनिकल और सेकंड चैलेंज है वो 44 के बाद खत्म. करेक्ट? All of you understand this. I am in the age of 39. So I have another 5 years to live my second pinnacle and second challenge. After that, I'll be in the third and the fourth, which is my crucial one. Both of them. And both of them are same. What? Number 1, 1, number 8, 8. And here, 9, जो मेरा पीछे नहीं छोड़ता. Now you all are interpreting and I am keeping quiet for 2 minutes without interrupting. You all speak and I will unpin myself. So those who will speak will be in on main screen, and that recordings I'll be uploading it on Facebook.
I think
Let me
whereas you are in the okay.
Let me interpret it this. Let me make an attempt. When it is a challenge 0, there is a free will. There is no obstacles or anything. When she is talking about 9 and 8 or 1 or 8, 1 means that she wanted to do something. She wanted to create something, go with the leadership, go with the originality, wanted to do something on her own, independently. But at the same time, being challenged as 8 is a materialistic and power. So somebody is pulling her down. Somebody is also creating a lot of obstacles in her pursuit to the pinnacle. So that kind of an obstacle she will be facing from the people, from the material world, or whatever it is, power. But she will still continue with that. So pinnacle is one which will be creating, which will be giving her a boost and courage to go with that. And she has to face these challenges of obstacles from people or from the material world. That's my interpretation.
Without interruptions, I am asking everyone voluntary to come and speak. Otherwise, I will not take it forward because now the time has come. I want analysis from you all. I don't want you all to be sounding very quiet when people come to you or knock you. कि तुमने क्या सीखा 7 दिन में? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आपकी confusion
I feel that you are in the 1.
Sorry?
I feel you are in the 1. I feel you are in the 1 right now. Once you will be around 44, I think you'll be coming in the 1, right? Pinnacle.
I'm talking about to explain the current challenge and the pinnacle and the
That
cycle.
is
9,
so current
9
challenge is
and
right
0.
now.
You are only seeing currently 9, 9 and 0. So let's say I am your client. I'm coming to you and I'm telling you that Beena ji, I need your help, and you see this as my current challenge and pinnacle and cycle. How would you tell me my current period?
Your
How?
current period, whereas you are in the 9, I
And you see me as
as you are in your
1
9
and you
pinnacle.
see me as 9 and 1 PNDA. बस अब अपना मैंने अपना क्वेश्चन रिफ्रेम कर दिया है. I am 9 and 1 PNDA. My challenge pinnacles and my cycle pinnacle and challenge is 990.
See, here I feel if if I talk frankly, I hope you don't feel bad also.
Absolutely not.
If I talk,
You
see, here
have
I
to be
feel
very blunt
whenever you
now.
come in,
Huh.
because here, if you are in your, even where you are in your PN or wherever you are in your DN is your 1 coming, right? Your DN is 1. So sometimes I feel you have to take care that when you're talking to someone, you shouldn't be too sharp also. Because at times it could happen that your 1 will create blockages also, because it is good enough that you haven't, like it may create, it 1 creates opportunities for you. But at the same time, sometimes being too sharp also, it can happen that, you may have your own blockage. You may create your own blockages by being too sharp. And at times, you are of course a giver. That's very prominent from your cycle as well as your pinnacle. That you are on a very humanitarian base. You are a very much. I would say that there will be hardships you will be facing right now. But at the end, when you will come in your 1, like when you are with a because you have 1 in your DN, I think you will be able to overcome all these problems because you have those qualities and leadership where you can definitely, capture the work, capture people by your talk, maybe by your appearances, maybe by your, by the explanation that you're giving. And I think that is going to work wonders with you.
Okay, very good
That is
analysis.
showing me that that is going to work wonders in spite of you having challenges, in spite of you having pinnacle 9, in spite of you having all this, but because you have a DN1 coming up now, so it is going to be really playing a very major role in your life from now onwards, whenever you're, and that is going to really bring you a lot of opportunities also, and maybe you'll be meeting more people in your life, and maybe that will definitely help you. As long as I would just say that sometimes you may have to keep a control on your tongue. I hope you don't feel bad.
No, Beena ji, not at all. Being a consultant and a
Because
trainer, you can't feel bad
because
about
what I feel is that you are excellent where you can, your explanations, what you're giving is really doing well. You're giving us like you're giving lots to the world, like you will have to be also giving it, and that giving will only make you come up in, because your DN is 1, and as your DN is 1, it's really going to show you that result, because that leadership quality will really make you come up after certain age of your life, because that's going to play lifelong after that, and that is going to be an excellent opportunity.
Okay.
You will be making money, that is for sure.
Okay, good. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Very good for this wishes also. And thank you very much. And anyone else wants to take an attempt?
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Yes, certainly. Why not?
As your PN is 1 and your DN is 1, DN is 9, and you are right now in 39 years of your age, it means somehow the destiny number will start working more in your life. And as such, आपका destiny number भी 9 हो गया, आपका cycle भी 9 हो गया, आपका challenge, sorry, आपका
Destiny number is 1.
Okay, I'm sorry. So you are in cycle 9, you are in pinnacle 9, and you are in challenge 0. So these 2 9s means that you should now have that ability to let go things and have no more expectations from others, and you should be more in a giving mode. And a challenge 0 means free will. It's the time that you should use your own things. Like free will means, like as you have already explained in one of the Facebook thing, that if I want to smoke, it's my will, my wish. So that free will, you are in a challenge where this free will work.
Okay, done. Anybody else wants to take a good analysis? Savita ji, good analysis. Anyone else wants to say?
Yeah, Jyoti ji, me. So, as your PN is
मैं कैमरा
9,
ऑन कर दूं ताकि मैं ये रिकॉर्ड ले
Up.
सकूं.
Can you see me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, as your PN is 9, is 1, right now your DN is ruling, which means that you are ambitious, you are creative, you will be able to achieve a lot of things. When it comes to 9, you will have, of course, challenges which are associated with number 9, but as such, you are very giving. You'll be focusing on occult signs and aggression and as long as you can keep yourself detached and don't get emotional. Challenge 0 means you will not have much challenge. Only the challenge which will to 9 will be challenge for you, but not really anything else. You will create your own challenge if you don't work on the path of 9. Walk on the path of 9 number. So
Good one. Good
Yeah.
one. Good attempt. Anyone else wants to speak up on this? Sangeeta ji, Alka ji, what's happening? Radha ji, Himlata ji, why you all are quiet?
Yeah, I can give a try.
Yes, please do.
Okay, so basically you are close to your 40 years, so you are like already in your 39 years, and your DN is 1, and you are in your 9 and 9 cycle and 9 pinnacle and 9 challenges. So basically, I think you are able to
Challenge is 0.
Oh, sorry, challenges 0. Yeah.
Cycle
So
and pinnacle is
9
1.
cycle and 9 pinnacle and 0 challenges. So basically, if we compare between your DN and 9, so you are able to balance out your authoritative and dominating nature, which comes from 1, and able to gel well, with people, and to let go things, and to be able to give more and more. So you're able to balance out things in a better way. And since challenges are 0, so as Savita ji said that it's a free will, so you are able to decide what is really what you want to do, and maybe you are able to do as per what you want. You don't really bother that much about people. I mean, you are very giving. On one hand, you care about people, what is good for them, and you're able to devote more. But at the same time, you're not all that expecting or attached that way emotionally. So I think in a better way, you are able to balance out things. That's what in a little way I can figure out.
Rightly said. Good. I want Himlata ji, Sangeeta ji, and what is her name? Alka ji to come forward and participate. कोई गलत नहीं है यहाँ पे. प्लीज आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें. मैं यही चाहूंगी कि कल से आप केसेस लेना स्टार्ट करें. अलका जी, हेमलता जी, संगीता जी, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू 3. आपने जो समझ में है आपने वो मुझे बताना है.
मेरे को इतना ही समझा है कि यू आर गोइंग थ्रू DNA 1. So at age of 40 आपका अभी 1 चल रहा है, and you have that authoritative quality, and pinnacle number is 9. So you're more passionate towards occult and giving sort of. मतलब किसी भी काम को करने में dedication है. And 0 challenge is like you're free to do. You have no obstacles in front of you, but still थोड़ा सा जो आपका बेसिक नेचर होगा, एग्रेशन या बहुत सैक्रिफाइसिंग गिविंग नेचर, तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको I don't know much. I'm trying to do.
You're doing very well, Sangeeta ji. Please don't stop. You should go with your flow.
That's
There is nobody right or wrong. You can interpret the numbers according to you. Because human behavior is not constant. It's a constant change. So we are evolving and changing. So if you're saying something, it could be relating to me, or it may happen with me in future, but you're not wrong. So please do not judge yourself. Go with the flow when you're talking. क्योंकि शायद आप जब कंसल्टेशन करेंगे क्लाइंट्स की, जो आप सब बोल रहे हो वो इस वक्त शायद उस क्लाइंट के साथ ना हुआ हो, बट आप हो सकता है कि इंट्यूटिवली आपने वो चीजें बताई हो जो उसके आने वाले समय में वो फेस कर रहा हो। तो हो सकता है कि आपकी बातों से आपका क्लाइंट सतर्क हो जाए और वो ऐसी हरकतें ना करे। सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गो विद द फ्लो। सोच सोच के मत बोलना, जब आप बोलते हो ना अच्छे से बोला करो सबको ही, क्योंकि जहां आप अटकोगे वहां आपका इंट्यूशंस खत्म होने लग जाएगी। तो गो, वो कनेक्टिंग होती है, सारे डॉट्स कनेक्ट करते हैं एक दूसरे को। तो हो सकता है कि आपकी कुछ बातें मेरे लिए काम की हो जाए और मैं उनको एक्चुअली में अपने लाइफ में इन्वाइट कर सकूं। अलका जी एंड हेमलता जी, यू हैव टू स्पीक, आई विल नॉट अलाउ यू बोथ टू कीप क्वाइट।
I joined in late. Can I speak?
श्योर, व्हाई नॉट।
Okay. Hi. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone, and hope Jyoti is fine now.
या आई एम फाइन।
Okay. So I could interpret few things because I joined in late. 9 would give you an idea to take up a new assignment and bring it to a completion stage, because 9 is a number of completion. And adding to what Savita ji said, that 0 will give you a choice to decide what is right and wrong for you as a free will.
Okay,
Thank you.
and anything else to be added?
As of now, this.
Okay, thank you very much. Very good attempt. And Hemlata ji and Alka ji, you both are left.
Jyoti, I wanted to just come in for a minute.
Yes.
I have just reframed the whole thing. I have calculated in a way we are talking in 2020. Now I am taking this as a personal DN, of course. Personal number is PN is 9, DN is 1, but your PA, personal age, is 4, and your personal year is 5. So that also plays an important role. Besides the challenge being 0, and you are in the cycle of 9 as well as pinnacle of 9, that gives you a leverage to complete your pending things and go all out, and whatever you want to start, that will be the new cycle which you will be starting. But being your personal year 9, personal year 5, you are now going in for a very good communications, and connectivity will be good for you. And 4, being a personal age as 4, your foundations will be made for the future. That is what I wanted to make.
Good. Very good. Yes, Pradeep ji, very nice. Alka ji and Hemlata ji, please come forward. Don't
Okay.
shy. Yeah.
Your pinnacle is 9 and challenges are 0. You an artistic person by nature. You have desire to reach many people, and you give love, but don't know how to receive love. I don't know if I'm right here. You are you're very active. The number 9 makes you very active, and you're adamant to reach a lot of people and do a lot of things. And in that process, your energy gets depleted and can cause ill health. And I think being a number 9, you also expect a lot out of yourself. And challenges 0, I think that is free will, which you can choose. You will actually have a choice of what you want to challenge from now on.
Thank
That's
you.
all.
Lovely interpretation. Love. And Alka ji is the only one left behind. अलका जी, तुसी ना बोलोगे तो मैं आगे नहीं जाऊंगी। आपने आगे
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, थोड़ा मेरे को वर्ड्स नहीं मिल रहे, मैं कैसे
आपको हिंदी में आ रहे हैं, हिंदी में बोलो, पंजाबी में चाहते पंजाबी। मैं आपको पहले भी कहा, जो लैंग्वेज आपने आती है वो बोलो। मुझे कोई लैंग्वेज
नहीं, वो तो आई नो, वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर
जो शब्द आपको मिल रहे हैं वो बोलो इस वक्त।
कि जैसे ये जो आपका टाइम है, मतलब बोलूं मैं सच्ची में सॉरी, बहुत थोड़ा और पढ़ के फिर मैं कल बताऊंगी आपको।
नहीं, आपने अभी बताना है 2 मिनट में। आपके पास टाइम लिमिट सिर्फ 120 सेकंड्स की है, बस उतना ही बोलना है आपने।
मैं 9 से जैसे आपने
ये जो मैं
बोला कि
बुलवा रही हूँ ना अलका जी, ये इसलिए बुलवा रही हूँ क्योंकि जो लोग इतने शांत रहे ना उनको बोलना चाहिए।
नहीं, मैं समझती हूँ आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही से। 9 जैसे है कि कंप्लीशन का है, इस मतलब ये आपको ये सिखा रहा है कि इस टाइम पे आपको अगर सॉरी क्या बोलूं,
आप बिना रुके जो मन में आ रहा है बोलते जाओ।
0 से तो मेरे को ये समझ आया कि ओके कि नो चैलेंज है, जो आपकी मन की इच्छा है वो आप इसमें कर सकते हैं, करना है तो भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं करना तो भी कर सकते हैं, वो आप पे है। पर 9 जो आपको सिखाता है कि कंप्लीशन का है, जो आपके अंदर अगर कुछ
सबसे पूछो, सब सोचेंगे, बोलेंगे यही कि आप अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बस आप रुक जा रहे हो अपने आप में। किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं आ रही आपके बोलने से।
नहीं, मैं समझती हूँ, सब बहुत अच्छे हैं।
बोलो फिर, बोलो।
एक्चुअली अलका जी आप जो बोल रहे थे काफी इंटरेस्टिंग था। क्या बोल रहे थे ऑन द कंप्लीशन नंबर? क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग।
कि जैसे मैम ने बोला कि जो 9 नंबर है वो कंप्लीशन का नंबर है, मतलब इसमें वो थिंकिंग आ जाती है कि मैं अपने आप को कंप्लीट करूं, जो सब हम मतलब ढूंढते हैं कि ह्यूमैनिटी के थ्रू अगर हम मतलब लोगों को देना चाहते हैं, उसमें हम सोचते हैं कि हमारी संतुष्टि हो गई है इन सब चीजों में, लाइक
वेरी गुड। और
आई नो
आप बोल तो सही रहे हो अलका जी, कहीं तो गलत भी नहीं बोला एकदम।
कि हम सोचते हैं कि इस टाइम पे हमारी कंप्लीशन हो जाती है कि सॉरी कि अगर हम दुनिया को देना शुरू करें, मतलब उस हिसाब से।
बहुत अच्छा।
पर आपके पास कोई चैलेंज नहीं है इसके, आप फ्रीली आप जो भी आप चाहते हो वो कर सकते हो, आप में वो पावर आ जाती है कि आप कोई भी चीज को आप कर सकते हो। अगर दुनियादारी की तरफ से लगा लो या मतलब देने की तरफ से लगा लो, जैसे आप में कोई मतलब अंदर रखने की इच्छा नहीं है, जैसे आप अभी टीचिंग कर रहे हो तो आपको ये नहीं है कि मतलब मैं कुछ छुपा के रखूं अपने अंदर कि ये अभी स्टूडेंट है तो शायद मैं दोबारा भी, मतलब नहीं, आपको ये है कि मैं एक ही बार में सब कुछ इनको दे डालूं, मतलब वो उस हिसाब से।
जी बहुत बढ़िया। अब आई विल कम बैक टू द पॉइंट, आई विल पिन अप माय स्टूडियो। आई सॉरी वीडियो।
ज्योति जी एक डाउट है।
हाँ जी प्लीज।
जैसे चैलेंज 0 है, तो जैसे हम टैरो में 0 बोलते हैं, तो वो 0 कई बार हाउ यू टेक योर स्टेप, फ्री विल तो है लेकिन हाउ यू टेक ऑफ स्टेप, तो वो कहीं ऐसा नहीं वो वापस रीस्टार्ट कर दे कुछ एक्शन की साइकिल्स, ऐसे हो सकता है मीनिंग?
यू मीन टू से
जैसे 9 कंप्लीशन है आपने बताया और 0 इज अ फ्री विल, बट फ्री विल में भी समटाइम रीस्टार्ट सम कर्मास या एक्शंस, तो could it mean like that?
I'll come back to that point. Okay, sure. So let's get back and बहुत अच्छा रहा. I appreciate everybody here, all the participants who spoke. Everybody was to the point. Pradeep ji की अपनी analysis थी, and Pradeep ji went little ahead and took the 2020 PN, PY and everything. Veena ji also was to the point, very precise and absolutely correct. क्योंकि अगर मैं सबके पॉइंट्स को लेकर के बात करूं तो हाँ, जो आप सबने इंटरप्रेट किया वही एक्चुअली मेरे साथ हो भी रहा है और मैं सब फील भी करती हूँ और मैं उसी तरीके से बातें भी करती हूँ। जैसे कि बीना जी का अच्छा पॉइंट था। बीना जी, मैं बुरा नहीं मानती हूँ। सबसे पहली बात, अगर आप बुरा मानने लग जाए एज अ कंसल्टेंट या ट्रेनर तो आपकी
I'm sorry if I have said this, लेकिन मैंने वो नंबर देख के बोला है। I've not seen you.
अरे बीना जी, कभी नहीं। मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ, अलाउ मी टू फिनिश, कि अगर आप सब, अगर बीना जी जैसे कंसल्टेंट मिल गए और अगर आपको बुरा लग गया तो रिमेंबर दिस, यू आर एक्चुअली स्टॉपिंग योर ग्रोथ देन एंड देन। अगर मैं बीना जी की पॉइंट को अपने फेवर में ले लूं तो इमेजिन मेरे वहां पे इम्प्रोवाइजेशन होने का स्कोप बढ़ जाता है। व्हाट आई सेड, नेगेटिव ट्रेट्स आर नॉट नेगेटिव, दोज आर द ट्रेट्स जहां पे आप इम्प्रोवाइजेशन करते हो। यू हैव अ स्कोप। तो कभी मत सोचना कि कभी भी कोई चीज खाली दिख रही है तो वो खाली है, वो एक्चुअली भरने के लिए स्कोप हो जाता है। So what everybody is pointing out, because Veena ji is feeling little conscious because she's thinking that I'm a trainer and talking to her like this. No, Veena ji, you're absolutely correct. Stop feeling this once and for all. And everybody stop feeling this. Because अगर आप बहुत ऊंचे ट्रेनर कंसल्टेंट्स को मिलोगे in the world, आप तो फिर उनको झेल ही नहीं पाओगे. वो इतने ब्लंट होते हैं, इतने ब्लंट ऑन द फेस.
मैंने एक्चुअली मैंने आपसे भी ज्यादा मैंने आपके नंबर का जो भी डीएन आ रहा है उसको देख के आपको बोला है.
अपनी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि आप जैसे बता रहे हो ना, आप अच्छा बता रहे हो. क्योंकि मैं जैसे बताई तो जो बोलते हैं किसी को, मैं जानती हूँ वो तौबा करे तो कैसे बात करते हैं. तो छोड़ दे वो सब बातों को. वो संकोच दिल में रख के मत चलिएगा और हिचक के बात मत करिए कोई भी. It is not about me she's talking, it is about the number she was interpreting. So whenever you're talking about the numbers, you have to be very clear. अगर आप क्लाइंट को नहीं बोल पाओगे इतनी ओपनली, ना बोलो, लेकिन आप ये जरूर कोशिश करो उसको कुछ और तरीके से समझा दो. Everybody was correct to the point. I did not disagree with anybody here. Why? Because all of you know me now and all of you could interpret numbers very well. किसी ने थोड़ा